Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on Passat and I'll show you how to move an EGR valve from this Passat. So this is the EGR valve. So one of the reasons I'm moving this EGR valve because I want to get access to the turbo. The EGR valve is this component and the turbo is the up one. This one is connected to the manifold. So I'm moving the turbo because there's an issue with the DPF. So I plugged in my diagnosing machine and it was showing DPF blocked. So one of the reasons why the DPF was blocked because I have a bad turbo. The turbo wasn't good, and I'll show you how the turbo is bad. So this is the reason I want to move the EGR valve to get access to the turbo. So I need to a bad turbo. You can see it. Too much play inside the turbo. So all you have to do is disconnect this pipe. After disconnect this pipe, that pipe, this manifold, also this one, you have to move the EGR valve system and these bolts. You can see the EGR valve is out, and next, so this is the EGR valve.